Today on Tanaka Homestead, we are going to talk about one crucial step that you need to do to make sure you grow large onions. It has been 10 weeks since we planted these onions, and wow, do they look beautiful. I'm telling you, they are tall and green and lush, multiple stalks on each plant. Remember, the number of stalks on your onion plant is going to correspond to the number of rings in your bulb, all right? So if you have 12 stalks, you should have 12 rings and so forth. What we are going to do is we're going to remove the dirt around the base close to where the roots are, because we want to give these onions a chance to bulb out. If you keep the dirt packed around the base, it can restrict the growth of the onion. We don't want that. We want our onions to get as big as possible. This is a very, very important step to do. All right, so here's one of my onions. I just want to show you the process. Now, some people use little tools. They'll bend knives and spoons, and I think that works really well. I personally like to use my finger because I like to be able to feel the base of the onion. And the dirt is really, it's not like a big deal. So I'm going to now just go around the base, and I'm just going to loosen up the dirt, making sure not to damage any of the roots. Of course, that's lower. That's all I'm going to do is I just pull the dirt away. Okay. That's it. That's all I do right there. Boom. That's it. So I'm going to repeat this process for all of my onions. So all of my onions are done. I went around the base of each of them and I cleared away some dirt, making sure not to disturb those roots below. This is a really easy, simple step, but it's a very important step that you don't want to miss. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button, and happy onion growing. Bye-bye.